I'm going to show you how to replace your igniter switch. Not the igniter that goes into your burner assembly, but the igniter switch on your Honeywell gas valve. First, turn off the gas. So you do that by turning it. So when the gas valve handle here is 90 degrees, the gas is off. If this handle is in line with the gas pipe, like that, in line, it's on, so turn that off. You'll have to take off this cover to replace this igniter switch. Before you take the cover off, you want to remove this electrical connection right here. You rock it back and forth, so don't just yank it, you can break it. Rock it back and forth, and it comes right out. Just put that to the side. This is the wire to the igniter switch. It goes from the igniter switch down, this orange wire, into the igniter itself in the burner assembly. So you undo that by pulling it, just like that. After you remove the wires, there's that little screw down there at the bottom you have to remove. The wires are removed and the screws are removed. You're going to tilt this cover up a bit. Don't just pull it off, because you have two tabs here, plastic tabs, that once this cover is rotated up just a little bit like that, you're going to use a small flat blade screwdriver to depress those tabs and pull the cover off. Cover rotated up a little bit, and you take a flat blade screwdriver and push these plastic tangs down. The cover comes right off, but be careful. You have these wires behind it. Here's your igniter switch right here. The way you get that out is to press this button, which is the striker button or igniter switch button right there. That's what you use to start your water heater. So turn it over, press that button, use a small screwdriver to move that plastic tang, and it comes right out. There you go. You take your new igniter switch, push it in, it'll go right in place. Make sure it's in securely. Turn the face of the valve cover around. So the trick here is, y'all, you have to make sure these wires are back in their same location, or the cover won't want to go on. Just push them back. You might have to just work with it a little bit. Seat the valve cover at the bottom. Make sure it's in its locating pins. Push those plastic tabs down, and you'll hear it click. Put your screw back in. Reattach your igniter wire. Put the wiring harness back in. Push it in. Then check and make sure it's secure. To turn the water heater on, you turn the gas back on. Move your temperature switch from off to pilot. Press it, hold it, and strike the igniter switch right here until the pilot goes on. And then move the temperature knob to your desired temperature. And that's how you replace an igniter switch in a Honeywell gas valve. Hope it helps, and happy DIYing.